For my Just Eat It challenge today, as an appetizer, we are making deviled eggs with crispy pork and pepper jelly. For dinner, it's going to be grilled pork chops with a blueberry and balsamic reduction. It's also going to include a salad with fried pickled okra and homemade buttermilk ranch dressing. And then for dessert, it's going to be yogurt topped with an Ezekiel cereal granola. Okay, first step is to get the eggs boiling and start the pork crisping, and next thing is to get the granola in the oven. While that all works, I'm going to come back over here, and I don't have any buttermilk on hand, so we're just going to make some by adding some lemon juice to some milk. 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Let that sit for a minute. So pork is done. I'm going to be turning the eggs off now. And we've got our okra frying. And over here, the buttermilk dressing is ready. The fried pickled okra is ready, and now I'm going to assemble the deviled eggs. I'm going to use the rest of the pickled okra, the seeds that you don't put as part of the fried part, and some pepper jelly and some mayonnaise. And see how it does. The appetizer course is ready. This is deviled eggs with the pickled okra in it and pepper jelly, and then the crispy pork. And then my husband did a taste test, and he said it actually tastes better with a little bit of the crispy okra on top. So he's going to tell us, how was it?
It was delicious, really good.
So pork chops are on the grill, and I'm starting my blueberry sauce that has white wine, blueberries obviously, some thyme, some cinnamon, balsamic, vinegar, brown sugar, and we're going to add lemon juice and butter to it once it reduces by half. All right, so pork chops are off the grill. Yeah, I know the one looks weird, but I had to cut some off to make the crispy things for the deviled eggs. And I'm going to finish up my dessert. And the sauce is really looking good, so I'm going to put the butter and lemon juice in. Okay, so total time about 1 hour. We've got our pork chop with the blackberry and balsamic reduction, with the salad and buttermilk dressing with fried pickled okra. You've got the deviled eggs with the crispy pork and fried okra on top. And then you've got the yogurt with Ezekiel cereal granola, one with the blueberry reduction on top and one without.